Guys, on today's episode, we're making gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. Yes, gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. And I can't help but talk with my hands. So, let's go.
Before we begin, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, add 10 tablespoons of softened butter. Next, we will add half a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. Now we're going to mix this until it's light and airy. And don't be like me and use a small bowl because I thought that I was going to have enough room. And what you don't see are the butter chunks flying everywhere. Next, we will add 1 egg. If you'd like to make a lot of cookies, this recipe is easily doubled and tripled, but you might want to use a stand mixer for that. Make sure to scrape your bowl down to ensure that all the sugar and the butter have been incorporated. Next, we're going to add 310 grams of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. I love vanilla extract, so I used 1 tablespoon, but you can easily reduce that amount if you would like. This is where a stand mixer would really come in handy because stirring those chocolate chips in by hand is definitely a workout. I use dark chocolate chips in this recipe, but you could easily swap that out for semi-sweet or milk, or possibly even butterscotch or peanut butter chips. I lined 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper, and I used a number 16 scoop, which is a 2-ounce scoop, to scoop my cookies. And this made approximately 16. If you did obviously a smaller or larger scoop, it would give you more or less. These don't need to be refrigerated before you bake them. You can pop them right in, or if you'd like to chill them for later, you can definitely do that as well.
All right, so we have made gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. They were super easy. I hope you loved them. All right, so I'm gonna eat one. They're really good, y'all. For real. Chewy, kind of crispy on the edge. That's good. If you have any friends or if you yourself have an intolerance or sensitivity to gluten, you need to make these, like right now, for real. Do it. Now. Gluten-free what?
Chicken chop.
And I'm gonna eat one.
Don't.
What?